Hey guys, this is the channel running Minecraft stuff and more, back with another ceiling fan video. I present to you another Casablanca Delta 2 in my childhood finish, white and brass. Very nice looking. Oops. Yeah, I'm recording on my iPad. Alright. That tag says September 1995. Wait. Give me a better shot. That September 11th, 13th fan made that day. That's the model number for it. I got the ceiling fan off the curb for free. And, yeah, sorry for the music. And came with, here's a fifth plate for it, and the Casablanca pendant. Here's a down row, but it didn't come with its mounting hardware. But whatever, I'll get some mounting hardware for this fan. And alright, so yeah, really nice looking ceiling fan. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate this. Wait. I don't know how to hold my iPad properly. It has a little less quality than my iPod Touch. Alright. This is all. Yeah, sorry for the talks. Okay. Yeah, sorry for that. Alright. Yeah. Really nice running fan. The mounting hardware is what I'm talking about is hang true screws, crossbar, and the hang true canopy. Yeah, but it's really cool. Yeah, sorry for the conversation. It actually did come with this generic light kit, which, sorry, I didn't decide not to put on because it doesn't really look good on this ceiling fan. But yeah, alright, I'll go ahead and go medium. Okay. If you don't know, this ceiling fan has a chain sequence of low, medium, high. Sorry for the salt, but yeah, the bearings are slightly bad, but I tried oiling them, but no luck though, because replacing bearings is a pain. This is high. Oh my gosh. Raging air movement. Whoa. My sister just put a piece of duct tape into the blades. Oh my gosh. Tons of air. Tons of freaking air. Enough to keep you cool. Alright. I will turn it off for you, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the 5-blade configuration. Spin down is just kind of short. Alright. Okay. That was it. I was halfway spin down. Now I'll move on to the 5-blade configuration. Okay, so here is the 5-blade configuration. Yeah, so go ahead and pull chain. plug it in. So yeah, Five Blades is more childhood because I've seen one in my grandparents' duplex. The grandparents on my dad's side of the family. Wow. Yeah, you can see the blade brackets are kind of mangled. But yeah, this is medium. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, sorry for the talks. Trying to get a good shot right here. Yeah. Moving some air. And finally, hi. Yeah. I bet the air movement would be them talking. Yeah. My gosh, it's so much air. Whoa, 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 whoa. Swabbles a little more with Five Blades. Okay, off. Alright, that's it. That's my Casablanca Delta 2 seal again and my childhood finish. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. The channel of random Minecraft stuff and more.